Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna create this look right here using Makeup Revolution products. So if you guys want to know what my favorite products were and how I got this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Now let's get started with the tutorial. In this makeup tutorial, all I'm using is Makeup Revolution. I am going to start with the brow pomade, and it has a double-ended brush in here. I got the shade medium brown. This is my first time trying it, and it has a little brush in there. And I'm not gonna use that. This is what it looks like. It looks more cool tone, more ashy. I like it. It's not my favorite, but it's alright. Now I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour Concealer. And I got the shade C1. I've used this before and I like it. It's not as full coverage as the Tarte. It's not as full coverage as the Tarte Shape Tape, so it's not a dupe in my opinion, but some people think it is. It's just not matte enough. And I am going to prime my eyelids with this concealer as well, so we can get ready for the eyeshadow. And I am gonna use their powder for the first time as well. And it was so hard to open. Girls, watch out when you open this. It spilled all over my floor here. And I got the Luxury Baking Powder in Lace. So this is not the yellow one. This is like the translucent one. It still looks kind of yellow. I'm gonna dip my powder brush into there. I'm just gonna set the concealer. I'm going to do the other side off camera and I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution SophX Ultra Eyeshadows. It has 24 eyeshadows. This is what the packaging looks like. It's so pretty. On the inside, this is what the eyeshadows look like. First, I'm going to start with this shade up here. I love this transition shade. It kind of matches my shirt. And the brush I'm using is just my Makeup Shack brush. It doesn't have a name. Or if it did, it rubbed off. The next shade that I'm using is this red one down here. Well, it's kind of red, kind of pink, a little bit darker. I like to bring it in closer to the nose, so if I ever want to create a cut crease, it has the darker color over here. I'm gonna take a mixture of this shade right here and this one, so these two. I mean, it's an alright color. So this has a lot of like fallout, but there's no color payoff on the eye. See that? I'm gonna use my concealer again and just cut that crease. I'm just gonna dig into this shade right here. did get a Makeup Revolution Sport Fix Extra Hold Makeup Fixing Spray. This is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna wet it a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna do the edge with that. I'm gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Pro Base Blur Primer. I have used this before and it's alright. It's not my favorite. It has a little bit of gold specks in there. So I'm gonna put that all over. These like clear primers are not my favorite. It reminds me of the Smashbox one. They're just not my favorite. They don't do much. They don't blur out the pores or anything, so they're just really moisturizing. My favorite foundation stick. This is the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation in the shade F6. I love this foundation stick, as you can see. This is very moisturizing, by the way. So anyone who's normal to dry skin will love this. Now I'm going to take my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 and I'm going to blend everything out. With stick foundations, you want to use a brush instead of a sponge because this is going to give you the most coverage. Now I'm just going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1. I don't know if they brought out more shades, but this is the lightest one. And I just got the lightest one in case it oxidizes. And now I'm just gonna set everything with the Luxury Baking Powder Lace. This is the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Powder Contour. So this is like a dupe for the Anastasia one. The bronzer that I'm gonna use is probably this one right here. And I'm just gonna use my Morphe M530 brush. Oh, let's hope that it doesn't like make it patchy. So this is definitely more red, the bronzer. The highlight I'm using is this SophX as well. I'm gonna use this shade right here. First I'm gonna spray my face with some Sport Fix Extra Hold Makeup Fixing Spray. Whoa, that highlight is poppin'. Here is the blush kit. This is a blush palette Goddess. I think I'm gonna use this shade right here. I'm just using my Sigma Powder Blush Brush in F10. This is the Intense Longwear Black Felt Eyeliner. And it's the Renaissance Flick. I love the packaging, it's so nice. It's a rose gold packaging. And this is what the point looks like. And I already got it all over my finger. It's very, very dark. I love it. For the lips, I'm using this Makeup Revolution London Game of Mystery Matte Lipstick. I love this shade. And I got this lip gloss in Cancer. I guess they have horoscope shades. And this is the lightest shade I saw. This is how the makeup look turned out. I am loving it. It's a nice bronzy look for the summer Well, actually, we're almost turning into fall, so this is a nice transition makeup look, and I'm loving it. I do recommend the eyeshadow palette, just the darker shades are a no-go for me. I love the bronzy shades, the shimmer shades, I love those, and I love the lighter transition shades. Those are the best, and I love this shade as well. I used it on my lower lash line, as you can see. It's a nice mauve shade. It's like a pinky mauve shade, and it's so nice. So I definitely do recommend this. Maybe the new eyeshadow that she has is even better. The blush palette, it's really nice. It's really pigmented, and I know the other shades would work out as well. And I loved the highlighters palette. This is really nice. I swatched all of them yesterday when I got it, and it's so nice. And I don't really recommend this one. This one is a no-go for me. I do love the foundation stick. It's so nice. The makeup primer though, I don't like, so I don't really recommend it. It's really oily. I do love the concealer. This concealer is a must. It is more on the watery side, so don't expect it to be matte. The setting spray was nice. I loved it. It didn't leave any droplets or anything, so that's nice. The powder is really good too. Last but not least is the eyeliner, and I love it. Look how dark it is. It is not completely matte because you can still see it wet in the middle part, but on the tail it looks pretty matte. So it's probably because of the eyeshadow, shimmer eyeshadow that I have in the middle. That's why it didn't go on as great. But this is definitely a must. I found it online on their website. Because you can still see it wet in the middle part, but on the tail it looks pretty matte. So it's probably because of the eyeshadow, shimmer eyeshadow that I have in the middle. That's why it didn't go on as great. But this is definitely a must. I found it online on their website. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you guys want one brand makeup tutorials in the future. Leave them down below. Let me know which brand you want me to do next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.